everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing some... Why does the volume always have to be so loud? But anyways guys, we're gonna be playing some more Casino. Let's just buy something, okay? Let's just buy something. 65 coins. Okay, we're not a butterfly anymore. We're gonna be A. What is it? A lucky cat. I wonder, wait, can I see the face? Okay, I think that might be a dog. I don't know. Okay, we're a lucky cat. I think this cat might not be lucky. We'll see. I'm kind of scared of the lucky cat. I think this cat is not lucky. Oh. Well, it's not lucky. Okay, it's not lucky. This cat is not lucky. This cat is not lucky. This cat is not lucky, guys. Oh, mouse throat. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's keep on going. Keep on going. No! Kidding? You kidding me? Okay, yeah. Yep, this cat is not lucky. This cat is not lucky. Okay. This cat is absolutely lucky. This cat is not lucky, guys. This cat is absolutely lucky, okay? This cat is absolutely a fake. This is clickbait. A clickbait cat. If you don't know what clickbait means is, when you do a clickbait is, something that it's like a lie on the internet or something like a game or whatever. It can just be like anything that has to do with electronics. It can be in real life. A real life is gonna be a lie, but in like electronics or something like that, it's actually called clickbait. I love this. And I think bait means lie, but you click it, so click bait. When you click it, but it's a bait, so it's a lie? Probably. I mean, I don't even know. I'm just guessing. Yup, this cat is absolutely not lucky. It's a clickbait cat. This cat is a clickbait one. Yeah, I think this cat is clickbait. We found a clickbait cat. You found a clickbait cat. You found a clickbait cat. I hate this game so much. Okay? Well, I don't really hate this game. Yep, we found a clickbait